Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today we will revise lesson number 8. Plants and animals need water. Yes, this is true that like us, plants and animals also need water. But they need small amount of water because we need water for different uses like for washing clothes, for cleaning the house and so on. So they need water. Now in this chapter we will read that why they need water and how they get it. First, plants need water. As we know that plants can make their own food. So they need water to make the food. They need air, water, sunlight, chlorophyll to make the food, and this process is called photosynthesis. So they do synthesis, they make food with the help of air, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. And how do they get water? Rain is the main source of water on the earth. So rainwater goes into the soil and it becomes underground water. So roots of the plants use this water, absorb this water, and stem carries this water to the branches, leaves, fruits and flowers. We also grow plants at home, so we water our plants. So by this they get the water. Take some seeds and put them into the dry soil. Observe the seeds after a few days. You notice that seeds have not grown. अगर हम ड्राई सॉइल में सीड्स को सो करेंगे तो वो ग्रो नहीं करेंगे, उनमें से बेबी प्लांट्स बाहर नहीं आएंगे. सो दैट मीन्स दे नीड वाटर फॉर germination to grow. So now put some seeds into the some moist soil. The seeds start germinating. Young plants come out of the seeds. So that means water is needed for the germination of seeds. Here is the process of germination. Germination is the process in which a baby plant comes out from the seed. And for germination, plants need sunlight, air, moisture. Moisture means water. So here you can see that seed is germinating, root and stem portion is growing, and then a baby plant comes out. Some plants live in water. They are called aquatic plants. Plants which grow in water, they survive in water, they are called aquatic plants. Example, lotus and water hyacinth, water lily and so on. They grow only in water. They cannot grow on land. So they are called aquatic plants. Take a potted plant, keep it without water for 3 days. What do you observe on the third day? The plant has wilted. You can see, अगर हम plants को पानी नहीं दे रहे तो plants की जो leaves हैं वो कैसी हो गई हैं? They wilted, dried. Now water the plant for a couple of days. The plant begins to stand erect. A properly watered plant stands upright and erect, and flowers blossom too on it. So flowers भी grow कर रहे हैं, plant भी healthy लग रहा है. So water is very important for the plants. Dash is the main source of water. Answer is rain. Plants need water to make their dash, food. Yes. So till now we read that plants need water to make the food and they need water for the germination also. Now question arises, why do animals need water? They are also living being. So they also need water. And how do they get water? Forest में तो उनके पास ROs नहीं है. So wild animals drink water from ponds, rivers and lakes. Here you can see animals are drinking water. What? When you happen to see an elephant in a pond, it showers water on its body with its trunk. So they need water to clean themselves also. Like plants, animals also live in water and they are called aquatic animals. Like fish cannot live without water, whale, octopus cannot live without water. So animals which are living in water, they are called aquatic animals. Fish, whale, octopus and so many animals are on the earth which live in water. Water is home to them. Little need of water. We know that all plants and animals need water, but they do not need the equal amount of water. सब plants की, सब animals की water requirement एक जैसी नहीं है. Some plants and animals need more water, which live in water. They cannot live without water, whereas some need less water. Aquatic plants and animals need most water. जितने भी aquatic plants और animals हैं, they need more water because they cannot live without water at all. Do you know that some plants and animals need very little water? Like cactus, it grows on in desert area. So here is the match it. Elephant, tiger, fish, whale and octopus, and we have to match it with aquatic or wild animal. Elephant is a wild animal. Tiger is also a wild animal, but fish, whale and octopus are aquatic animals. Next is the cactus. Cactus is that plant which is found in deserts where little water is available, soil is very dry or sandy, so they just need a little amount of water to grow, and their leaves converted into spines to reduce the loss of water. Next is the camels. Camels are also found in deserts, and they live in desert because they store water in their stomach or in their hump. So when they drink water, they can drink a large amount of water at a time. They store this water and they use it later on. Desert rats and desert snakes also need very little water. So by this we have completed our reading. Now it's time for book part. Plants get water from the dash. Answer will be soil. A plant which grows only in water. Answer is lotus. The water hyacinth plant grows only in dash water. An elephant splashes water with its dash trunk. Fish is an dash animal, aquatic. The cactus plant is generally found in deserts. Circle the odd one. Lotus, water hyacinth, rose, water lily. Answer will be rose. Camel, whale, desert snake and desert rat. Answer will be whale. Fish, whale, octopus, camel. Answer will be camel. Write the name of the following pictures in the space provided. First picture is of an aquatic plant, a water hyacinth. Second is of an octopus. Third is a whale. And the fourth one is a camel. Now join the dots and write the name of the pictures. First picture is of a fish. Second is a lotus and third is a cactus. An animal that stores water in its stomach. Answer will be camel. An elephant showers water on its body with its trunk. Yes, elephant uses its trunk to shower water on its body. Question answers we will do in notebook. So keep reading, staying safe at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.